Ozark Radio Network News Director Cody Sanders, alongside is Marty Simpson. He is from Simpson Elder Law, Estate and Elder Law, and today we're talking about the talk that you should have with your elderly parents. So there is an article online at SimpsonElderLawFirm.com. It's entitled 8 Tips for Having the Talk with Elderly Parents. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So first of all, let's just kind of clear the air. What is the talk that you should be having with your elderly parents?
Well, sure, Cody. We all of our parents are getting older, and quite often we get worried about their welfare. And there are a few things that you need to talk with your parents about to be sure that you know what their wishes are, and to be sure that they're thinking about those things. First, you need to plan what you can talk with your parents about. Some of our parents are more reticent to having the talk. They don't want to talk about it. They don't want to admit they're getting old.
Sure.
Others are ready to have the talk. You just can't push. Some of the things you need to do, you need to identify the key people in their lives. Who is their doctor? Who's their financial planner? Who's their or CPA? Who do they have insurance with?
Sure.
Who are those people in their lives that they do their business with? What about a will? Do they have a will? They need to be thinking about a will. If they don't have a will, then a circuit judge is going to decide who gets their stuff.
Sure.
What about powers of attorney? What happens when your parents can't make decisions for themselves? Who's going to make those decisions? If they don't have good powers of attorney, then again, a judge is going to appoint a guardian or conservator to make those decisions for them. Should talk to them about who they want to do that and get those powers of attorney. End of life wishes. It's a topic that none of us want to talk about, but we need to have that talk.
Sure.
Under what circumstances do mom and dad want life support continued, and under what circumstances do mom and dad want life support terminated? It's really their choice, but we need to know. Do they have insurance policies? Home insurance, health insurance, car insurance? Where are those policies? If mom and dad are sick, or if they pass, somebody's going to need to talk to those insurance companies. Tax returns, again, do mom and dad file taxes every year? Many older people don't, because they don't have the income. But if they do, knowing where those things are is important. And as well as other particulars, what are mom and dad's memorial wishes? Do they want a particular song at their funeral?
Sure.
Do they want, do they want to be cremated? So knowing those types of things about mom and dad's wishes is very important. And that's really the crux of that article on my website.
The website, again, SimpsonElderLawFirm.com, and it's easy to understand why this is not the most comfortable conversation to have with our loved ones, but it's obvious why it's important. So Simpson Estate and Elder Law, located at 303 8th Avenue. They can contact you at 256-1968. What else do we need to know?
Talk to your parents. Only go as far as they're comfortable. I also have some other articles on my website that might be very helpful in your estate planning.
Great stuff from Marty Simpson, Simpson Estate and Elder Law.